Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dryer vent connector is probably one of the most overlooked components in your laundry room, but it plays a crucial role in both the safety and efficiency of your home. It's the unsung hero that connects your dryer to the outside vent, ensuring proper airflow and preventing dangerous lint buildup. In this video, we'll dive into what makes a great dryer vent connector and help you choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. Cenipar 4-inch dryer vent hose with clamps. This is the Cenipar dryer vent hose kit. It includes a flexible aluminum foil ducting vent hose and 2 metal clamps. It's everything you need for your dryer vent needs. The hose is made of high-quality, flame-retardant aluminum with a built-in corrosion-resistant steel wire spiral. It can withstand temperatures from 0 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, making it durable and reliable. This hose is perfect for various air circulation and ventilation projects. You can use it in hydroponic planting rooms, bathrooms, lofts, and for heating and cooling transportation. It can also cool AV equipment rooms. The flexible ducting can be easily cut to your desired length. The included clamps help you connect the vent securely. Remember to wear gloves and disconnect the power before installation. If you have any questions, please ask. We are committed to quality control, so you can buy this product with confidence and use it with satisfaction. What we like. This flexible ducting is perfect for tight spaces. It's easy to cut and install, making it a great choice if you're looking for a DIY-friendly solution. If you have limited space or need a flexible option, this is the one for you. What people say. It was durable, easy to install, and worked perfectly with the dryer I purchased. The installation was very fast. It's been 2 months and no problems. It's a good value and it's great quality. Number 4. MV180 Magnetic Dryer Vent Coupling. Introducing the MV180, a magnetic dryer vent coupling. This innovative product is designed to simplify your dryer vent setup. It handles dryer vent offsets ranging from 0 to 3 inches center to center. This allows for flexible installation in various setups. The MV180 utilizes a 12-inch zero-flame spread, UL2158A approved DryerFlex transition hose. This ensures safety and peace of mind. Strong magnets self-align and attach the dryer hose to a standard 4-inch wall vent. This makes installation quick and easy. Enjoy easy, solid installs that boost dryer efficiency and safety. The dryer side union comes with a pre-attached transition hose to handle offsets. What we like. This connector uses strong magnets for a secure and easy connection. It's designed to handle offsets, which is great if your dryer vent isn't perfectly aligned. If you're looking for a quick and efficient solution that improves dryer performance, consider this. What people say. The product is easy to install. It fit perfectly and was exactly what I needed. The dryer vent connector is well made. Number 3. Whirlpool 4396006RW Dryer Elbow Vent Connector. This is a genuine OEM accessory from Whirlpool, designed specifically for your appliance. It meets tested engineering standards and is crafted to ensure the quality of your appliance. This accessory, model 4396006RW, is a direct replacement for the 4396006 model. It's designed to fit seamlessly and restore your dryer's functionality. Don't settle for aftermarket accessories. This Whirlpool product offers the quality and consistency your appliances deserve. It's built to last. This vent connector is compatible with several major brands. It's a versatile solution for your dryer venting needs. It measures 4D and effectively turns 90 degrees within 4 to 12 inches. This design helps to efficiently vent your dryer. For over 100 years, Whirlpool has cared for your appliance like you care for your home. That's why this replacement part is made using durable materials and innovative processes. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring quality and compatibility. It's designed to make a 90-degree turn within a small space. If you want a reliable, high-quality replacement part from a trusted brand, this is a great choice. What people say. This offers more strength so the flex hose won't squish against the wall. It can be adjusted after clamping while staying secured. Now with this product on the back of the dryer, the flexible tubing only needs to make a very shallow turn to meet the wall connection. Number 2. Saillong Dryer Vent Adapter and Hose Kit. Tired of dryer hoses coming loose? This adapter features a snap connector that locks the hose firmly in place. It creates a tight, airtight seal, so you can have peace of mind. The 7x7-inch wall plate provides ample coverage. It effectively seals the dryer wall duct, preventing outside air from entering your home. It's designed to meet your needs. This adapter makes for a clean and tidy connection. Installation is simple, and it easily snaps apart. This allows for convenient cleaning of the vent hose and surrounding area. The included 8-foot hose is made of high-quality aluminum. It's resistant to high temperatures and corrosion. The thickened design minimizes the risk of rips and pinholes, and it bends easily. The kit includes a clear, airtight gasket made of quality silica gel. This ensures a secure and airtight ventilation system. It's a much easier and more effective solution compared to traditional clamps. What we like. This adapter features a snap connector for a secure and airtight seal. It also offers a large coverage area, ideal for covering imperfections. If you want a neat, easy to clean, and reliable connection, you should consider it. What people say. The plastic is sturdy and durable. It provides a flush quality connection and fitment. Installing and using it was easy. Number 1. Dryer Dock, Quick Release Dryer Vent Connector. Are you tired of struggling with your dryer vent? This innovative product offers an easy way to connect your dryer to the vent. It's simple to install and save space. Dryer Dock's 2-piece system allows for quick access to your vent hose. This makes cleaning a breeze, helping you save energy and prevent potential fire hazards. Made of durable ABS plastic, this product keeps the hose securely in place. It eliminates drafts and pest intrusion, protecting your home and saving energy. Dryer vent fires are a serious concern. This product helps mitigate the risk. By keeping the vent clean, it helps prevent a leading cause of household fires. This is the original, patented dryer dock. It's the gold standard in the industry, installed in hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses. You can trust it to get the job done. What we like. This quick-release system makes maintenance a breeze. It's designed to prevent fires by allowing easy access for cleaning. If you value safety and ease of maintenance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It requires a little prep work to install, but it is definitely doable for most people. The quality of the material is better than expected, and looks better than the metal hoses. It offers plenty of hose flexibility as my dryer is on the opposite side from the on-side vent and it reach with no problem. It fits perfect on the dryer and the wall connecting with just a turn, nice and tightly. Rather than using this for a dryer hose, I'm using it for a portable air conditioner exhaust vent hose in our cabin, and it works great. The quick connect flange installs onto the pipe on the wall with 3 screws and allows you to connect and disconnect your dryer house with ease, leaving you with a clean appearance when the hose is not connected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.